Hi, welcome to this video on combining ratios. Now we've got these two ratios here. We've got P to Q is 4 to 33, and we've got another further ratio, Q to R is 11 to 5. And notice that these two ratios here have Q in common, don't they? And we want to find a combined ratio, put those two ratios together to give one big single ratio, P to Q to R. Now, how are we going to do this? Well, the easiest way to do it is to have a little table with the P, Q and R and present what ratios we've already got. So we've seen that P to Q is 4 to 33. And we've also got that Q to R is 11 to 5. So Q to R is 11 to 5. So let's put that there on the next row. We've got 11 to 5. Now, in order to combine this into a single ratio, it's just like a single row of P to Q to R, we need these Q's here to be the same number. And remember, with ratios, we can just scale ratios. So, for example, if I have the 11 and the 5, I could times these both by 2, for example. So I could have 22 to 10. It would be the same ratio. So we can always scale ratios by timesing by the same number without changing the ratio. So you might be able to see that if I want these numbers to be the same, I need to scale this 11 and scale the 33 so they are the same number. Now, what do 11 and 33 have as a common multiple? Well, they both go into 33, don't they? So this 11 here, if I was to scale it by timesing it by 3, it would be 33 and then match this 33 here. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to times this by 3. And because whatever you do to one part of the ratio, you have to do the same to the other. It's a bit like with fractions. Times them both by 3. That's going to give me 33 and 15. And now that's great because this number is now the same as that number. So I can just write it as one big ratio. It's 4 to 33 to 15. So I can write that as a single ratio. It's going to be 4 to 33 to 15. And let's just write that as an actual answer. P to Q to R is equal to 4 to 33 to 15. And that's the final answer.